Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sasipriya, Assistant Professor, Department of English from K.S.Rangasamy College of Arts and Science, Autonomous Tiruchengode. Now we are going to see about the topic of word formations. What is word formation? We know about word. What is word formations? How to frame a words? What are the methods we can use to frame a words? Blendings, coining, borrowings and clippings. What is blending? We can blend two words. For an example, breakfast plus lunch, that is we are blended and we can use a new word as a brunch, that is in between we are having food, that is called brunch. This is new words created by blending method. For a borrowing, we can use tell about the Tamil borrowing words which are borrowed from our Tamil language. For an example, katamaran, rice and mango. These are some examples borrowed from Tamil language to English languages. These are some methods. And coining. Coining means creating a new words and giving a name of the inventors. For an example, Parker. It is the inventor of the pen who has invented the person's name is Parker. So, these are some examples for giving the name of the inventor's name for creating new words. And affixes, what is affixes is the main process for framing the words. It plays a important role in the word formations. Affixes means pasting bound morphemes. For morphemes means we are used in morphology. We are called as a morphemes. That is we can classify it into two. One is free and bound morphemes. Free morphemes stand alone and gives them meaning, and bound morphemes which are not stands alone, which helps to create a new words with the root or stem words and create a new meaning of the words or the grammatical category of the words. These are bound morphemes. Affixes we called as bound morphemes in a morphology, in a linguistics methods. And affixes have a two classification. One is prefix, another one is suffix. What is prefix? Prefix means free fix. Free means a beginning or front of the word to fix. That is helps to change the opposite meaning of the words. That is the prefixes we are mostly used. For an example, an is a prefix. It is while attached or fixed with the happy word, it has changed the opposite of the happy word. It is sadness, unhappy, and like that we have lot of prefixes having possible, impossible, legal, illegal, regular, irregular, understanding, misunderstanding, and veg and non-veg, ragging and anti-ragging. These are some examples we are used in our day-to-day life for an opposite words while using the prefixes. And suffixes. What a suffix means? It is the opposite of prefix. It is like a end of the words. We are a group of letters we are used to fix with the end of the word or root of the word. Those suffixes have two classifications. It helps to change the grammatical category of the words, that is called inflection process. Inflection process means it helps the tense, number and possessive cases are only changes. It reflects the tense, number and possessives. It is not change the meaning of the vocabulary. That is called, this process is called inflection. And derivation. Derivation is a process of adding the suffix, but it changes the grammatical category and meaning of the word. And for an example of inflection, and sleep, it is a verb, while add with the s, it sleeps. And flowers, trees, these are the nouns, while add with the s, it is changed as only the singular to plural, but it is a grammatical category is not changed and the meaning of the word also not changed. But derivation process, for an example, govern, while add with the suffix ment is add with the root word of govern, it is changed as a government. A govern is a verb, and while add with the ment, it is government. It is the word. As a grammatical category in that, it is noun. So, like that we have two processes in that suffixes. And it is the process, the suffixes, we can use it in a sentence, while we can make a sentence while add a single word with the suffixes, which is changing the suffixes. For an example, the beautician beautifully beautified me as a beautiful angel. Here I am used in that sentence only I take a word beauty, but I added a suffixes and changed the word of the grammatical category and the meaning of the word. Like this we can change the lot of vocabularies like this. Okay students, next class we will see in the another topic. Thank you.